lang siya dito. Para siyang R-zone, no? Okay. Ano bang restaurant palapit dito? Labas kaya muna tayo. Meron silang this one. Coffee. And pwede mag-refill ng water. Ano to? Cabinet. May chinelas. Okay. Also refill your picture here. Dito lang siya sa elevator area. They also have a kit. Let's see what's inside. Toothbrush and toothpaste. And sabon. Soap. And this one, cotton buds. So that's it. Ayan. Ayan siya. Medyo magulo na. This is a queen size bed. This is how it looks like. Area. Decent na siya for its price.
This is the salad.
Shampoo with conditioner.
Salad.
This one.
This is your.
Ito walang laman to eh. Pero meron naman ganito. And another soap. So, 2 soaps na. Bath towels.
Big soup. With soup.